Good afternoon, this is Lem from Sofia, Bulgaria, showing you the central station, which was renovated a few years ago and now looks pretty good and modern. I won't show you from the outside right now, I'm just going to the platform. I believe there are 13 platforms, as you can see there right behind me. I should be able to see it, and they are divided in eastern and western sections. So here it says Istok, which is east, and then there on the other side it would say Zapad, which is west, and then what you also have is the Chelan Kolovoz, which is here in gray, and I believe that's a track that's a bit outside of the 13 platforms. So that means you walk the platform all the way and then you find another one at the end of it, if that makes sense. Because otherwise it wouldn't fit in the whole width of the area. Nice and clean. My train is to Lakatnik, and I'm getting off at Serovo, which is a small village, and from there on I'll be making my hike for a few hours. And here we are at the end, platform number 12. I travel by train really often now. I always have in Bulgaria. So let's go up and see if the train is here. It should be, and it is. Wow, I get to show you a modern train. Here it is. Let's get in.